Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking chicken leg quarters in the Instant Pot. This is a super easy recipe. All we need is a cup of water for pressure cooking. We need chicken leg quarters. You can use any amount. The cooking time remains the same, and the water is always 1 cup. So here's chicken leg quarters. And now we need seasonings. I have salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And you can use any seasonings you like. So anything you like that goes with the chicken, just add your spices. So let's start by opening the Instant Pot. And I'm going to add 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot for pressure cooking. And I'm going to use a trivet, which is the rack that comes with the Instant Pot. So it just helps to keep chicken out of the water, and it makes it easy to remove it as well. If you don't have the trivet, don't worry. You can just put chicken directly in the water. It will still be great. So I'm adding the trivet, and now I'm going to season the chicken. So I'll just sprinkle it with all the seasonings. So let's sprinkle with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now I'll rub all the seasonings in so they're evenly distributed. Add some more here. And now I'll flip them over and season the other side. And again, just rub it so it's evenly distributed. So now, once you've seasoned the chicken, let's put it in the Instant Pot. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 20 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked chicken leg quarters. Now let me take them out of the Instant Pot so you can either grab the trivet with a towel or oven mitts, or you can just, use a spatula or tongs to get them out. But see how that rack was actually keeping them out of the water, so it's great. So let me take them out. Perfect. This looks amazing. And if you want a crispy skin, you can put it under a broiler for 5 minutes in the oven. If you don't care about crispy skin, it's totally ready to eat now. So I just like it like that, and I'm gonna try it. They're perfectly cooked. And they look amazing. Let me just cut it so you can see the inside. So see, the meat is totally cooked and it's very soft. Let's try it. These are the most tender chicken leg quarters. This meat is very soft, very tender, very juicy and moist. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!